Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and exciting tip for WhatsApp web users on PC. If you've ever wanted to start a new chat effortlessly, WhatsApp has introduced a handy keyboard shortcut to make this process faster than ever. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. If you haven't set it up yet, simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your mobile device. Once logged in, you'll see your chats and contacts ready to go. Now, here's the magic. Press Ctrl + Alt + N on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly opens the new chat window, saving you time and eliminating the need to click through menus. Once the new chat window appears, type the name of the contact you want to message into the search bar. Select their name from the list, and voila, your chat is ready. You can now start typing your message and stay connected with ease. This feature is perfect for multitaskers or anyone who wants a smoother experience while using WhatsApp Web. It's one of many shortcuts available that can help streamline your workflow. Whether you're chatting with friends or managing work conversations, mastering these shortcuts will make your WhatsApp Web experience much faster and more efficient. So, go ahead, try it out. Open WhatsApp Web, press Ctrl + Alt + N, and enjoy how simple it is to start a new chat in seconds. Don't forget to share this tip with others who might find it useful. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay productive and enjoy exploring more features on WhatsApp Web. See you next time.